It's Roman from Kid Pro Fitness. Today I'm going to be doing a full legs circuit. This circuit has 11 exercises, which each we're going to be doing for 30 seconds. The total amount of time we'll be exercising for is 5 minutes and 30 seconds. For this video, I'll be using a timer. If you do not have a timer you can use, you can count repetitions. The exercises this circuit contains is regular squats, reverse lunges with knee lifts, squat calf raises, squat jumps, high knee toe taps, side lunges, single leg calf raises, diagonal reverse lunges, side leg raises, inner thigh leg raises, and inverted inner thigh openers. Let's go. Alright guys, circuit started. Make sure to get ready in a regular squat position starting in 3, 2, 1. Alright, regular squats. This exercise has a beginner and advanced version. Beginner version is helping yourself up with your hands like this. Advanced version is having your arms out like I was doing before. The focus area of this exercise is your thighs and also your butt muscles. Alright, 20 seconds down, 10 more to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, reverse lunges and knee-ups. This exercise focuses on your thighs and your abs. Alright, 3 seconds. Right, now switch. When you do this exercise, make sure not to touch your knee on the ground. And also make sure not to smash it on the ground, or else you'll injure yourself really bad. Alright, next one is squat calf raises. Wide stance, and you're going to do a calf raise where you lift your heels up. This exercise mainly focuses on your thighs, and your calves. This exercise has beginner and advanced. Beginner is going like this. Advanced is having your arms out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, squat jumps. Just squat and a jump. The beginner version of this exercise is going like this, where you don't have as much weight to jump with. An advanced version is holding your arms out, so you have more weight to jump with. The focus areas of this exercise are your thighs and your butt. Next is high knee toe taps, where you can get something like this medicine ball or a chair. The focus areas of this exercise are your calves and your thighs, along with your abs too. This exercise helps increase your balance and agility. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side lunges. When you do this exercise, you can either do the beginner version, where you press down on your knee, or the advanced version, where you have your hands out. When you do this exercise, you might feel a little stretch in the inside of your thigh, but this exercise does focus on your thigh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, single leg calf raises. This exercise, you're holding up your leg and doing a calf raise. This exercise focuses on your calves. Alright, switch. When you do this exercise, try your best to keep your balance. Right, you have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now diagonal reverse lunges. This exercise is doing a lunge but on the diagonal angle. When you do this exercise, make sure not to touch your knee on the ground. This exercise mainly focuses on your butt area and your thighs. Alright, 10 seconds to go. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, last 3 exercises, you're going to be lying on the ground. This exercise is going to be lifting up your leg so that your toes are facing the wall. You don't want your toes to be facing the ceiling like this. This exercise mainly focuses on your hip area. Right, there's about 5 seconds to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, inner thigh leg raises. Leg over your leg and lifting up. Same thing for this exercise. You want your toe to be facing the wall, and this exercise focuses on your inner thigh. So there's 10 seconds left. And make sure that your toe is facing the wall and not the ceiling. Right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last exercise, inverted thigh openers. For this exercise, you have your arms on a 45-degree angle and bringing your leg down. When you do this exercise, you don't want to bring your whole body down like this, or else you're not doing it properly. You want your knee to always face the ceiling. This exercise mainly focuses on the inside of your thigh. This exercise is good for if you cycle. It strengthens the inside of your thigh, which is usually very uncomfortable. Alright guys, good job. We finished this circuit. Well done guys. I'm very proud of you if you're able to complete this circuit without rest. If you did have to take a break while you're doing this circuit, I suggest you go check out some of my other videos, or you redo this circuit a couple of times till you don't need to take a break anymore. Remember, exercising your legs is very important because they're big muscles and they burn a lot of calories, even when you're done exercising. Thanks for watching, and remember, I always appreciate a like and subscribe. Next week, bye.